Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how we can hide and show control on the basis of selection. So if you see here in the form, if I'm selecting no, I'm able to see the description text box, and when I'm clicking on yes, I'm able to see the IT ticket number text box and the status. So here we are going to utilize the same UiPath apps that I have created initially in my first video. So let me show you what I have done here to achieve this. So first I have created two boolean variables, bool hide description and bool hide IT container. Now you can click on plus sign to create these variable. The type that you have to select is true or false, this one. So let me click on edit button to show you the type. The type is true or false for both the boolean variables. As you have added two variables, now you have to go to the main page and you have to put IT ticket number and the status into the container, and just rename this container as container IT ticket. Same thing you have to do for description. The description need to go to another container and you can rename it to container description. Now you can see we have two container, one is container IT ticket and one is container description. As I have already shown you how basically we can drag drop these controls. If you want to drag drop these controls to some container, how we can do that, so you can watch my first video. So for now I'm not showing that here, that how I have put these controls in the container, which is pretty simple. You just have to add the container from add controls and then just drag drop this to the place where you want. Okay, now when you select the container and then you go to the general, you have to pass the variable that you have created, hide ID container, to the ID ticket container, and in the container description you have to pass hide description here. So this property hidden is basically used to hide and show the control. So the initial value is false. For you it might be showing false, so you can just remove that value and pass the boolean variables that you have created. Okay, after this you go to the main page and just click on edit rule. Then you have to assign the true value to both boolean variables that we have created. So I am assigning true value to bool hide description and true value to bool hide IT container. So this below part is something which is binding the controls, which I have shown in my second video. Now so far I am assigning true value to both the variables. That means initially when the page gets loaded, you might not see both the containers here. You see both the containers visible because on the page load I have passed the true value to it. Now next thing is you have to go to the radio button ticket, and here you have to use if else condition. Now in if condition you have to write down main page. This is my main page dot radio button dot value equals to yes. If it is yes, then I want to pass false value to ID container. That means now my ID container will be visible here and the description container will not be visible. Similar way in the else, that means if the user select no, that means description is visible. That means description is visible, but you see IT container is not visible because I'm assigning true value. So whenever I'm assigning true value, that means I am hiding something. Whenever I'm assigning false value, that means I am showing something. Okay, so similar way, if you see I'm assigning false, that means I am showing something. I am showing IT container. If I'm assigning true, that means I am hiding something. I am hiding description. When I'm selecting yes, I am hiding description. So hope this is clear, and if you have any doubt you can comment on my video. I'm happy to reply back. That's it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Let's meet in the next video.